Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete a slide in PowerPoint. The first thing we will do is open PowerPoint to see the created slides. As a first method, to delete a slide, you will right-click on it and then click on the Delete Slide option. That slide will be deleted. If you want to delete several slides, you will press the Control key and then click on each slide to delete. When you do, right-click on one of them and click on Delete Slide. Finally, you can select the slide and use the Delete key on your keyboard to delete that slide. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.